I'm just eating my breakfast. Got my old egg. It's gonna be delicious. I'm probably making you hungry, guys. Just eating my chicken. You wake up at 7, I think it was 7 something. Got toast, egg, chicken. Happy days. Guys, if you're watching this, go and grab something, because this will make you hungry. Yeah. It's gonna be a shout out as well to Oliver. His YouTube channel is Gamer Billy 112, and he has like a black car. So check his channel out, and yeah, see you today or tomorrow. Bye.